Hello guys, my name is Paul. Today I want to introduce you the METZ Talent software. It's a Windows-based software developed by METZ software team designing to help the teachers to prepare lessons. First of all, you can go to OPS page. Then it will switch to the OPS system. And then you double-click METZ Talent software. So now you have entered into the METZ Talent software. And over here, you can see there's a big canvas in the middle, and we have two toolbars. This one is the main toolbar, and in the bottom, you have a toolbar for configure the canvas. For example, let's go to this button, which you can change the background color. You can go change it to gray or select any color you like. You can also add the background grid to your canvas if you want. And if you write whole of the canvas, you can add a new canvas. Just go to this button. You can add as many canvas as you like, and you can select from different canvas. Each canvas can have different color. So if you want to import any media contents, you can select this import part button. Go here, and if I want to import photos, I will select picture, and I will choose the photo I want to put into, And you can change the size of it. So to begin your writing, you go to the toolbar, you select the pen. Okay, here you can choose the color you want, any color you want. For example, let's use black to write METZ. And we have different pen options. For example, let's go and choose the stamp pen. Let's go to this smile face. And if you are running out of space to write on, you can use the palm function, the hands icon here. Then you can navigate to an empty space. Then you can continue your writing. And if you want to change your writings or to remove anything you don't want, you can use the eraser. And you can also select circle eraser, like this. Like this. And if you want to clear the whole page, you click again the eraser and you slide the bar, then you are able to clean the whole page.